I'm Mike from Mike Estate Agents, and today you join me in Winslet Place in Reading, where I've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3rd floor apartment just behind me here, coming to the market with no onward chain. But before I take you around inside, let me go and show you the local area. And just over the road from the doorstep of this property, you join me here with an amazing variety of shops. Now you've got B&M home stores just to the right, a gym behind me there, and Halfords, as you can see behind me to the left. Now this property sits just a 20-minute walk away from Reading West train station, and there's also a bus route directly outside the property as well. If you're looking for some green space locally, then just 15-minute walk away you join me here, McElroy Park, which is 30 acres of nature reserve to explore. Thank you very much for watching the video today. I hope you like what you've seen. Again, this property comes with no onward chain and it's a great size inside. If you'd like any more information or you think this property might be for you, get in touch, drop me a message, and I can't wait to show you around for an exclusive viewing.